Dear students, once again I am Mr. Vishal Shah, Assistant Professor, Krishna Institute of Pharmacy, Karad. Welcome you all to this next video on aromatic acids. In previous video, we have seen certain methods that are used for the preparation of aromatic acids, as well as we have started with the chemical properties of aromatic acids. In these chemical properties, we have seen that the reactions of aromatic acids are divided into the two parts. One, the reaction that are given positive due to the presence of the carboxylic acid group, and second one, the reactions that are given positive due to the presence of the benzene ring. So in previous video, we have started with the different reactions that are given positive due to the presence of the carboxylic acid group. In that, we have seen salt formation reaction as well as the ester formation reaction. Means these reactions are exclusively due to the presence of the carboxylic acid functional group in the given compound. So if you have not seen these reactions, I request you can watch the previous video, and if you like, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more videos related to the pharmaceutical organic chemistry subject. So let's begin our today's session. Before that, just we will see what are the different learning outcomes of this session. After this session, learners will be able to explain chemical reactions of aromatic acids with respect to the benzene ring. Means which are the different reactions of aromatic acids that are given positive due to the presence of the benzene ring. Now let's explore these reactions. Now already we have seen two reactions, that is the one salt formation and other one is ester formation. Next chemical reaction that is shown by aromatic acid is acyl halide formation, where in this case benzoic acid, when it is reacted with phosphorus pentachloride or thionyl chloride to form benzoyl chloride. Here you can see, now when this benzoic acid, here you can see, here there is a presence of the carboxylic acid functional group and here there is a presence of benzene. So this reaction is also given positive by benzoic acid due to the presence of this carboxylic acid group, where benzoic acid on reaction with the phosphorus pentachloride, it will be converted into the benzoyl chloride. Instead of phosphorus pentachloride, we can also use thionyl chloride also, so that here also there will be formation of the same product takes place, that is the benzoyl chloride. When we are going to use phosphorus pentachloride, there will be formation of phosphoryl chloride, that is the POCl3 will takes place. And when thionyl chloride, that is the SOCl2, when it is used, there will be formation of the SO2 will takes place. In this way, there will be formation of acyl halide will takes place. So hydroxyl group here that is present in the benzoic acid, it is just replaced by the chlorine. In this way, benzoic acid is converted into the acyl halide. As we know that this benzoyl chloride is one of the important chemical intermediate or reagent that is used in many types of the reactions. That's why this reaction is considered as important, because it will give you the how to prepare the benzoyl chloride from the benzoic acid. So this is the very common method that is used for the preparation of the benzoyl chloride from the benzoic acid. Just here we are going to carry out the addition of the chlorine to the hydroxyl group instead of the hydroxyl group in the structure of the benzoic acid. So this is our today's first chemical reaction, that is the acyl halide formation. Next chemical reaction that is shown positive by aromatic acids is reduction. Now in this case, when benzoic acid is reduced in presence of either lithium aluminum hydride, it will be converted into the benzyl alcohol. In this case, first benzoic acid is first converted into the aldehyde and this aldehyde, as it is a liquid which cannot be isolated, and further this aldehyde is further reduced to the benzoic acid. Now here this reaction is exactly opposite of the oxidation of the primary alcoholic functional groups, where benzoic acid, when undergo reduction, it will be converted into the benzyl alcohol. So carboxylic acid functional group is converted into the alcoholic functional group. Exactly opposite, if we perform the oxidation of benzyl alcohol, first alcoholic functional group is converted into the aldehydic functional group, and aldehydic functional group is further converted into the carboxylic acid functional group. So it is exactly reverse of the oxidation of benzyl alcohol, where benzoic acid is first converted into the aldehyde, that is the benzaldehyde is formed. This benzaldehyde, we are not going to carry out the isolation, and further this aldehyde is reduced to the benzoic acid. Now instead of the lithium aluminum hydride, we can use boron, that is the BH3, in the solvent tetrahydrofuran instead of the lithium aluminum hydride for conversion of benzoic acid into the benzyl alcohol. Now what are the advantage of using this boron in a tetrahydrofuran? So reaction with boron occurs very rapidly, and also it can be carried out at the room temperature. So this procedure is also preferred over the reduction with lithium aluminum hydride because of the relative ease and safety of using boron. That's why boron is preferred over the lithium aluminum hydride to carry out this particular reaction, that is the reduction of the benzoic acid. Also lithium aluminum hydride may be leads into the explosion, and to avoid this, boron can be used because it is safe as compared to the lithium aluminum hydride. So you can see this is the chemical reaction. Now if you observe over here, this is the benzoic acid which on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride is converted into the benzyl alcohol. Here you can see that this particular alcoholic functional group, and this is your ketonic functional group, where we can collectively consider it as a carboxylic acid functional group. So this carboxylic acid functional group is converted first into the aldehyde. Remember here there is a presence of the aldehydic functional group, and this aldehyde further on a reduction it will be converted into this benzyl alcohol. This is the exactly opposite reaction of oxidation of benzyl alcohol to the benzoic acid. Remember that here we are not going to carry out the isolation of the aldehyde. Directly we are going to carry out the isolation of the benzyl alcohol. So this is about the second chemical reaction, that is the reduction. Then next chemical reaction that is shown positive by aromatic acids is decarboxylation. Now we know that benzoic acid is mainly consisting of the carboxylic acid functional group, that is the C double bond OH. So this carboxylic acid group, when loses carbon dioxide, these types of the reactions are known as the decarboxylation. So decarboxylation is removal of the carbon dioxide. In this case, when benzoic acid is treated with soda lime, soda lime is nothing but the mixture of calcium oxide and sodium hydroxide. So benzoic acid, when it is heated with soda lime, benzoic acid loses a water molecule and a carbon dioxide, which leads into the formation of the benzene. So this reaction is known as the decarboxylation of benzoic acid. You can see here this reaction, benzoic acid, here you can see there is a presence of the carboxylic acid functional group. This carboxylic acid functional group, which on heating with calcium oxide in presence of the sodium hydroxide, it will be converted into the benzene. That is, there is a formation of calcium carbonate. This calcium carbonate will be again converted into calcium oxide and the carbon dioxide. In this way, carbon dioxide is removed from the benzoic acid, which leads to the formation of the benzene. So aromatic compound, that is the arenes, are formed when carboxylic acid undergo the decarboxylation reaction. So this is the third chemical reaction that is shown positive by aromatic acids. Here we have completed the reactions that are given positive due to the presence of the carboxylic acid functional group. Next onwards, we are going to discuss about the reactions that are shown positive by aromatic acids due to the presence of the benzene ring. So let's begin with this. Now, one of the prominent chemical reaction that is shown by aromatic acids due to the presence of benzene ring is electrophilic substitution reaction. Now we are familiar with what is the electrophilic substitution reaction, where this is the type of the substitution reaction. In this case, hydrogen atom of benzene is replaced by the electrophile, and these electrophiles are bearing a positive charge. That's why these reactions are known as the electrophilic substitution reactions. Now, electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction in benzoic acid will take place mainly in the third position. As we know, because the carboxylic acid group that is present in benzoic acid, it is an electron withdrawing group, and that's why it shows the meta directing effect as well as it is a deactivating group. Now the reason behind this can be explained on the basis of the resonance structures. Benzoic acid can be represented as hybrid of the following resonance structure. Means here we are going to find out why electrophilic substitution reaction takes place at the meta position, that is the third position, and why carboxylic acid group is acting as a deactivator of the particular ring. So this can be explained on the basis of the resonance, and resonating structures of benzoic acid can be written as like this. Now if you closely observe the structures of the resonating structure of the benzoic acid, here you can see this is the resonating structure of the benzoic acid. Now if you observe this particular structure, you will notice that ortho and para positions in these structures are having a positive charge. Now you can look at over here, this particular structure is having this positive charge that is placed at the ortho position. Now how we can write down these particular resonating structures? Here as you see, this oxygen is more electronegative, so it will withdraw the electrons from this carbon atom, that is the pi electrons are shifted to this oxygen atom. That's why it bears a negative charge, and due to which this pi bond with this carbon atom is broken down, and this carbon atom becomes unstable, and to get the stability it withdraws the electron from this carbon atom. So these pi electrons are shifted to this carbon atom, which leads to the formation of the double bond, and as electrons of this carbon atom are shifted to this carbon atom, there will be formation of positive charge takes place over here. So here in this resonating structures you can observe that the positive charge takes place at the ortho position as well as the para position. And so when electrophilic substitution reaction is carried out, an electrophile cannot attack on these positions because electrophiles are having a positive charge as well as these ortho and para positions are having the positive charge. So if same charges will come closer to each other, they will repel each other, and that's why the electrophile will not attack on the ortho as well as the para position. It will attack on the meta position, which is relatively electron rich, and thus carboxyl group directs all the electrophiles to the meta position. Also, the carboxylic acid functional group is acting as a deactivator. Deactivating means what? Benzoic acid undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction more slowly as compared to the benzene. Now this is because carboxylic acid group withdraws the electron from the ring by the resonance, and due to which it is acting as a deactivator. It decreases the overall electron density on the ring and makes it less interactive for the incoming electrophile, and that's why that carboxylic acid functional group is acting as a deactivator. Already these points we have discussed, and thus the electrophilic substitution reaction is slow as carboxylic acid functional group is deactivating. So this is the example. Here you can see